Ra ka Meghalaya ka overall champion haka athletic haka bakal ayo kur kuma khasan teligi gold khandai teligi silver bar khanyo teligi bronze total long sau pui teligi medal berkon baar rek Assam kali kur ar teligi gold drill teligi silver bar ar teligi bronze.
He represents the state of Nagaland. He has accumulated 1,827 points with gold in 100 meters and long jump. He is Nekitoli Belho. Please come forward without delay. Please give him a big round of applause. He is the best athlete in the Northeastern Games, Olympic Games 2022. Then we have the best athlete among women above 20 years of age. She represents Manipur and she is N. Chauba Devi. Please rush quickly. She accumulated a total of 1,593 points with gold in 800 meters and 1,500 meters. Once again, let's give her a big round of applause. Winning the best athlete in the under 20 years boys category representing Assam is Arup Jyoti Gogoi. Where is Arup Jyoti? Quick. He accumulated 1,793 points with gold medals in 100 meters and the 200 meters. Now for the best athlete, under 20 years girls, representing Nagaland, is Nyansai T. She accumulated a total of 1,357 points with gold in 800 meters and 1,500 meters. Well done. So I request you to also give away the prizes for the runners-up and the overall team champions. The runners-up is the team from Assam. They have won a total of 12 gold medals, 6 silver medals and 2 bronze medals. Assam team, please hurry up and reach there. Please do not make our guests wait. Thank you, well done. And the champions is the host state, Meghalaya, with a total of 15 gold, 9 silver and 17 bronze medals. I request all our esteemed guests over there to kindly stand with the team. Well done, Meghalaya, we're proud of you. 3 cheers for Meghalaya. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And thank you also to all our respected athletes and also to our honorable chief guest, who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We shall also be giving out the last few prizes. We have to change the schedule a bit, but we shall continue with the medal ceremony. Some more music. DJ Zone, yes. Some music.